secret load. Your eyes are burning like a furnace door, in a way that I've never seen them burn before. The guitar is a humming, a melody mean, the loudest magic that the world has seen. The road is a gambler, the road is a thief, but it gives you a beauty beyond all belief. Now we're the librarians of the fire and the frost, finding the connection that was never really lost. From the Red Rock Valley to the Valley of Sleep, this is the rhythm we're going to keep. And we're rolling on the Fever Grass Drive tonight, shaking off the dust in the lantern light, with a twangy guitar and a melody break. We're the only fire that the memory can save, the Fever Grass Drive. I remember the house and the porch and the shade, and the careful plans that our younger selves made. But the fever is arising and the spirit is free, moving like a thunder through the cypress tree. It's not in the logic, it's not in the skin, it's the way that the story is starting to begin.